Okay, so they are nearly done there in this one pillar. It's just so fast, isn't it? And we have there a, look at that, very beautiful sunset. Oh well, so finally they are done there in one beam, and tomorrow they are going back there again to put some beam.
Peekaboo! 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 I just teach Bria how to back so that when she's become like ano na gining atop niya panawag?
Oh my god! The pig! The two pig just, oh my god! They just get out in the pig pen. Ano na siya? Diyos ko, paano tali? Ano? Oh my god! The two pig just get out in the pig pen. Oh my god, they are not going. Hopefully they are not going to somewhere. Paig, kanta pa! Oy, hindi tani ko. Oh my god, we didn't know that. Uy, ito na! Hi! Sige, oy mama, papadali di. Uy! Oh my god! Okay, mama, just give a feed. Why God? Ay, natuod. Uy! Hindi ka lang magwa di ay. Please don't get out. Good things they just come back there in the pig pen. We just checked that there's someone come here, and she said that the pig is outside in the pig pen. Oh my gosh, I was so scared earlier. Yeah, we just scared maybe they are going to run away and they are going there inside the sugar cane. So tomorrow I'm going to ask Nong Edwin and Nong Jennifer to fix here.
Madula pa ni Tana yan, itang pusla niya kung diin mo ni Tana ligoton sa kampuhan. Kung kis agagawa na di sila ho, na sila ang tiil nila makaamo na ho, masunod na lang ng muli.
So Papa just fix there. Secure lang pa nga, strong pa ha. Oy! Kusog sila kay dako, nagit sila ya. They are so strong. And I can't use my flashlight. My camera, it's low bat. Kusog na daan. We just shocked earlier that Riza yelled. She said, "Hey, the pig is already outside in the pig pen." And when we look here, the one is just over there and the one is here. Good things they didn't run away. Oo. Kaya iwan ko binag-expect na tagko akong baklo na na kaya ambal ko ideklan tanay una-una.
Kaya dasig lang sila mag-ano, dako. Wala pa naman ikabulan sa bras amon?
So Papa just put a tie there. Just tie wire.
Ay, ini tanay. Ikaw, duha lang ka mo sinin. Amo niya kagapos niya.
Sige lang kay patadlong. Kulang ba sila ng idwende?
Astang iniriwo. Hindi ni bakod yung...
Tomorrow, we will gonna fix this.
Ang iya na nga punta, hindi ko pagpasulot sa ila, kaya amo na ila ginagusab.
Good morning Philippines, hello world, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, for this video, our workers, they just go here so earlier, and Jennifer is busy there making a rings. Ano nga liwat ang rings ganina? Finger? Ah?
Stirrup.
Stirrup. Ano to?
Stirrup.
Ah, stirrup. 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 And Nong, Edwin, and Torx, they are there. Let's see. Let's check. Because yesterday they are done one beam there. For sure they are proceed in one beam. Ouch. Oh yeah, they are just proceed over there. Well, last night it's raining, but good things it's sunny day today. Okay. Wala sa diretso to na. Since they are done there before, yesterday. And today, Mama, she just visit there our rice field because maybe tomorrow it's ready to harvest. So that's why Mama just visiting there. She just check if it's already yellow there or it's ready to harvest. Yeah, if they are going to harvest there tomorrow, I'm going there also. Since tomorrow it's Sunday, so they are going to rest. Look at Papa there, guys. He just doing hanging some clothes there. Wow. Since Mama's there in the farm today, this morning, so Papa just doing hanging some clothes. And last night we have a drama here about our pig. Good things Riza last night she just yelled because we are talking there in the balcony together, and then when she looked here outside, she saw the pig that it's already there, the ones over there. So we are all shocked when Riza's yell. And then when I go outside and check without slipper or something, I'm just running, and then I saw the pig there. But good things they are just calm. And Mama just gave them a feed last night. And yeah, they just back there in the pig pen. It's so funny, isn't it? Good things we have some fins there. If no, I think they're going to run away there in the sugar cane. So imagine it. Hi, Bria. Hi, cutie pie. Hi, Bria. 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 Hello. Hi, Bria. Hello. How are you doing, Bria? Nothing. You're doing great, Bria. Okay, so far it's almost done, and this is how you're gonna make a beam. Ano ganing beam sa ligay no, nang? I don't know what's beam in Hiligay nun. Ha?
Balayan.
Balayan. Ati balayan na siguro? Or we call this balayan. Balayan. Uti-uti, no? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think 12 beam. We have 12 beam or 11 beam. That's a lot of work. Sa mga building, nung kaamo man ka muna eh? Ah. Even in building.
Basta folding, pwede ka nila ingas sa salon. Tubo lang. Tubo, pwede ka nila mo niya ang materiboard niya.
Tibudlay naman kakson, ino?
Hindi na, ginakalama lang. Tornilyo lang.
Ah, okay. I asked if in buildings, they also make like that. And he said yes. Even their scaffolding, it's they also do some welding. Dagko ang mga kabilyay, no?
Ang nagmayak pilya, 12 mo.
Oo. Mga 16?
16, 25, 32.
Wow. They make a scaffolding like a rebar, but it's a big, like 34 size. Damo-damo pag na mga building yan, no? Dagko daan.
Makulad daw, wala naman ba? 2 ka bulan na, purang kabilyada.
Abo! Sa 2 ka bulan lang?
Ang 2 bulan.
In 2 months, they are in Bacolod. They make a beam. 2 months. Glawig ba na?
Bang pilya mo? Daw tanaw, puro lang pilya, plibot ya.
Or almost 2 months, they just make a beam. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of rebar. Piladan guro ka floor?
Mga 4th floor.
Oh,
Pero sa
4th floor.
pilya.
There's a lot of water here since last night it's raining. Look. Why go anong tubig, no? They can't get out here. Mama still not arrived yet. It's nice. It's not sunny day today, so that's not hot for them also. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Papa is here. Hi, Pa. Musta ka pa? Musta ka pa? English, ay?
Okay, ma.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just teaching Papa here to speak English. How are you, Pa?
How are you?
Amang ko tonta ka, how are you? Andar ni mo sabat?
Abe?
I'm fine.
Are you?
Again. How are you, Pa?
I'm fine.
How are you doing?
Are you?
Mambaka, I'm doing great.
Huh?
I'm doing great.
I'm doing great.
But tomorrow, matulog ka ba sa bal? But tomorrow we are going there in the farm because there's someone there. We're gonna harvest our rice. Yeah, I missed to go there also in the farm.
I love to stay there for a while because it's relaxing and yeah, there's a lot of papaya there. Again pa, how are you pa?
Fine, ako.
Di ba tay?
I'm fine.
How's you going?
Go to...
You're doing great. You said that. Papa. Papa is a cheeky pumpkin. But earlier, he just do some putting some clothes there, hanging some clothes. Great job, pa.